come here, check this out. There's gotta be a way to open the cage in there. Just need to figure out how to distract the guard.
Leave it to me.
Ah! It's the Peruvian box turtles again. They're always so antsy at night. There's only one thing that'll calm them down. Beatboxing.
Come on. Whoa. Hey, look, there's the orangutan. Now we just gotta figure out which button to press to release her. How about this one? Or this one? Dang it, nothing's happening. Hey, look at that one.
I don't know, Cricket. That button's gotta have a shield for a reason.
Well, of course there's a reason, but rebels don't listen to reason. Ah! Look, the cage is opening. Now let's go grab that orangutan.
What the?
Oh, man, I can't wait to tell Mom. Mister, we can explain. Oh, I mean, yeah, you better run.
We must give off pretty strong rebel vibes.